Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's start your reading. King of Cups and Eight of Pentacles. One more card, please, for Fire Sign. Page of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, bottom of the deck is the Four of Pentacles. Okay, so nakakakita tayo dito ng like maybe some kind of offers. With the King of Cups, nakikita natin na marami kang you do have a lot of things na kayang ibigay or i-sacrifice para dito sa taong mahal mo. And nakikita natin na ginagawa mo yung best mo ngayon pagdating sa iyong career, pagdating sa iyong trabaho, no? Para maibigay yung mga material na bagay na pangangailangan niya or gusto niya. This is you na maybe you're nag-iipon, no? Because maybe you want to travel with this person, you want something to happen sa relasyon or sa connection ninyo. Okay? Sobra ka magmahal. And ito yung nakikita natin na time. Hindi ka naman dati ganyan. Hindi ka naman ganyan. Maybe you are quite immature pagdating sa love. Pero this time around, natutunan mo magmahal ng buong buo. Kaya ibibigay mo rin ng buong buo para sa taong ito. At ito na nga yung ginagawa mo ngayon. So, sino ba itong person nakakonect mo, fire sign? Yung person mo is the Hanged Man. Seven of Cups. One more card. Page of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Bottom of the deck is a Ten of Swords and a Three of Swords. The Emperor is here. This is Aries energy. I feel like for now, itong person na to, I see this person waiting. Kung meron kang pinagbibigyan or ibinibigay mo lahat dito sa person na ito, ay hindi itong person na ito ang tinutukoy natin. This could be the third person here and pwedeng someone from the past na pwedeng nag-end na yung situation ninyong dalawa with the Ten of Swords. Three of Swords is here, so this could be other person. Ibang tao. Bukod doon sa pinagbibigyan mo ng something, ng lahat mo ngayon. There's this person waiting for you. Naghihintay siya. Gustong-gusto ka niya. With the Page of Swords, this person is in denial. Hindi niya sinasabi yun eh. Pero gusto ka talaga na itong taong to eh. Ano yung nasa isipan ninyo ng person na ito? Isipan at emotion. You do have the King of Wands. Nine of Wands. Five of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. The Hierophant is here. The High Priestess, so you could be dealing with your soulmate, your twin flame for some of you. Makakuha tayo ng malakas na spiritual connection dito. One more card. Okay, you do have here the Five of Wands. Okay. So, nakikita natin na with the King of Wands, this is you. Katingin ka ngayon sa realidad sa realidad ng buhay. For now, kung sino man yung kung sino man itong challenge sa connection ninyong dalawa, ito yung mas minamahal mo. Mas binibigyan mo ng attention, ang pagmamahal, ang attention, efforts, and everything. Five of Pentacles, maybe you don't care about this person for now. Wala kang pakialam dito sa person na ito. Because with the Nine of Wands, kinonsider mo siya in the past, pero ngayon hindi. Ang focus mo talaga is maybe the new person. Okay? For now, kung ano yung mas at peace, no, kalmado or maayos lang na connection, yun na muna sa'yo. And maybe this is a soulmate connection na nararamdaman mo yon, but you don't care for now. Wala kang pakialam. Sobrang nagagalit yung person mo ngayon na ito with the other person. Kasi feeling niya nauto ka, feeling niya ginamit ka, feeling niya naisahan ka nitong person na kakonect mo ngayon na maybe kaya hindi ka nag-isip masyado ay dahil kasalanan ng person. Hindi ka niya sinisisi ha. Ang mas sinisisi niya is yung person na kakonect mo. Na kaya ka nandyan ngayon sa person na yan ay dahil nautukan yan. Galit na eto person na to, galit siya dun sa person mo. You know, this person is not just jealous. No, hindi lang siya basta nagseselos, nasasaktan siya, naiinis siya, na nasasaktan siya, na nabibwisit siya. Bakit? Bakit mo kinuha yung dapat akin? Yun yung energy ng person na ito. So what will happen in the near future for the both of you? One last shuffle. In the near future for you, fire sign. Five of Cups, Strength card, and the Eight of Cups. Clarify the Five of Cups, please. Six of Cups. The Lovers and the Ace of Pentacles. I'm feeling like in the near future, you will be walking away sa connection na ito. Pwedeng ginagawa mo na ngayon, pero since this is a soulmate or maybe a twin flame connection, medyo mahirap magkakaroon ng pagmimit pa rin in the near future sa inyo. With the Five of Cups, I feel like you are not, part of you is malungkot kasi hindi mo ino-open ang sarili mo sa kanya or hindi free ito person na to whenever may connection na mangyayari or pagbabalik ng connection, hindi free yung ikaw sa connection nito. With the strength card, nakikita natin na maybe there's another relationship na magiging matibay para sa'yo, na medyo magiging mahirap makapasok itong person na ito. This person, nakikita natin yung pag-iwas sa kanya in the near future. That would be the main reason kung bakit maaaring ikalungkot mo, kasi mararamdaman mo yung feeling na umiiwas siya. But it is because gagawin niya yon because with the strength card, mahirap manghimasok sa'yo sa relasyon mo sa iba. 'Di ba? And I feel like itong person na ito gusto niya bumalik sa buhay mo na parang victorious siya. Na okay na siya. Babalik siya. This person is guilty. So, kaya siya lumalayo, umiiwas because guilty siya of the feeling, of the emotions na nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. And also at the same time, with the lovers, medyo alam mo yon, yung parang nagigising yung person nito sa spiritual connection ninyo, pero with the Ace of Pentacles, this person is focusing sa mga material na bagay in the near future. Kasi, wala ka nga With the Four of Wands is here, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, kung ano man yung mga meron sa inyo ngayon, mas magiging matibay pa yan in the near future. So, kung ito ay relationship, kung may kakonek kang iba, mas magiging matibay yung relationship mo na yan. Career, maganda rin ang sinasabi, mas magiging matibay, marami ang hahanga sa'yo. There's a lot of people na would try, na makapasok or makitaan ng mali ka. Pero, I'm feeling like you are well-grounded with the Four of Pentacles, no? Grounded ka talaga. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nila makukuha kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka ngayon. Okay? Sa career and sa love, ganun din. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.